Withdrawing money from Google Wallet to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to complete the transaction smoothly. Step 1. Open Google Wallet. Launch the Google Wallet app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your balance and transaction options. Step 2. Navigate to your balance. Once in the app, locate and tap on your balance or the Pay section. This will show you the amount available for withdrawal. Step 3. Select Withdraw option. Look for the option that allows you to withdraw funds. This may be labeled as Withdraw or Transfer to Bank. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Choose your bank account. If you have multiple bank accounts linked, select the one you wish to transfer the money to. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you will need to do so by entering your bank details. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Review the amount you want to withdraw and confirm the transaction. You may need to enter your PIN or use biometric authentication to finalize the withdrawal. Once you have completed these steps, your funds will be processed and transferred to your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank account for the transaction confirmation.